Hey folks, so I bought a tiny Monsonia Peniculina off eBay, shipped from China. So this is my first plant that I've ever received from Southeast Asia off the internet. So let's see if it survived. And when I can't even say it anymore, it keeps wanting to say funicula, or no, sorry, funicula. Anyway, um, it comes from around Namibia, so it's one of these nice desert plants, but it has really unusual flowers, and I thought, awesome, I'll plant it in the wall planter. So checking it out, it's very intricately packed, and I just hope it survived the trip. And I wonder if this is Chinese toilet paper. I can see how well it works compared to what we have here, made by Scots, I guess. But it is happy. So you have a tuber, you have this tuber, and then you have a lot of plants. It is a really nice specimen. I thought it would be a little bit tinier. Guess it could use a little bit of watering, so I can't wait to plant this. So anyway, this plant turned out a lot better than expected, so I'm a happy camper. And I'll plant this in, I think I'm going to plant it in a wall planter. So I have several, whoops, that I made, and I basically macrame wall planters that you can buy from like Hobby Lobby or off Amazon. And because it looks so ornate, I think I might do it in this wall planter. And if anyone is interested, check some of my older videos. It's been like maybe about 3 years that I made a video where I show you how to make these. So this will be nice. And when getting a wall planter, you want to make sure the drainage or the hole you hang it on the back is above the rim, so it's not going to pour out the back. Sometimes they're too recessed, and those are more for artificial flora. And even though this doesn't recommend using with water, I've had no issues. But anyway, my Monsonia Peniculina, if I said it right, as it grows, because they only get up to 10 centimeters tall, will be perfect in a plant like this on the wall, which doesn't require a lot of water. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and happy planting.